Welcome to the DJI Terra tutorial series. This video will show you how to use the thermal infrared reconstruction feature to quickly generate 2D maps containing temperature data. The thermal infrared reconstruction uses visible light photos for aero triangulation and thermal infrared photos for alignment output, supporting Mavic 3T, Matrice 3TD, Matrice 4T, Matrice 4TD, and Zenmuse H20T, H20N, and H30T. Keep the following in mind when importing data. First, import paired visible light and thermal infrared photos captured by the dual sensor camera with at least 10 photos of each type. Second, for standard thermal scenes, set the forward overlap to 60% and side to 50% to optimize processing efficiency. And for weak texture scenes, increase them to 80% and 70% respectively. Third, thermal infrared reconstruction supports temperature measurement data with resolutions of 1280 by 1024 and below. Do not select high-res mode when capturing data with H30T or Matrice 4T. Once the data is ready, click Create Project in the lower left corner and select the thermal infrared project type. Enter the storage path and storage location. Click the Photos panel on the right to import the folder containing the dual sensor photos, and the software will automatically parse them and perform an integrity check. After importing, click the camera icon on to display photos. Visually verify whether the coverage is complete and whether there is any obvious deviations. You can also view, draw a selection box, or delete photos in photo management to reduce redundant data. The parameters for thermal infrared reconstruction are generally consistent with visible light and multispectral projects, with unique settings concentrated in material and emissivity and environment parameters. Emissivity is crucial for thermal measurement. Since it varies by material, you must select the right one for your scene. If the 4 built-in options aren't enough, click Custom Material at the bottom of the list to create your own. Environmental parameters are mainly the correction parameters when converting temperature, which include 2 options from datasets: automatically read from the original thermal photos. Custom, manually set the environmental parameters. This is suitable for the cases where the dataset lacks environmental parameters, global calibration is needed, or the original dataset has been modified. To manually specify environmental parameters, including atmospheric temperature, reflected temperature, and relative humidity. Once configured, click Start Reconstruction at the bottom. Note that thermal infrared projects only output 2D temperature maps and do not support 3D mesh or Gaussian splatting generation. Once the reconstruction is complete, you can measure temperatures, export reports, and view deliverables directly in Terra. In the layer bar, you can quickly switch between RGB and thermal infrared, using the 10 built-in color palettes, and dragging the temperature range slider on the left to highlight anomalies. DJI Terra also provides 3 measurement tools: measurement point, line, and area. For measurement point, click on the map to add a point and read its temperature and precise coordinates. For measurement line, draw a line on the map to read the maximum, minimum, and average temperatures along the segment, as well as the horizontal and straight distance. For measurement area, draw a polygon on the base map to read the maximum and minimum temperature, average temperature, and the projection area. Then click Save. Once the measurement is complete, you can export measurement reports. Select the required temperature data to generate a professional PDF report, complete with annotations and screenshots, or export the raw temperature data sheet. if you need to quickly verify data. Blind spots in the stitching. You can read temperatures directly from the original photos. In the measurement interface, click the Display/Hide Photos camera icon in the upper right corner. Then click your area of interest on the map to enter photo measurement mode. In the photo gallery, only photos with successful arrow triangulation matching are displayed, sorted with the lowest distortion and best angles first. To measure temperatures on a photo, click to add a measurement point to directly read and annotate the temperature. This concludes the tutorial on thermal infrared, 2D reconstruction and measurement in DJI Terra. Thank you for watching.